Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create fun and easy no-TEMP projects that will help you enhance your technical skills. Whether you're just getting started or looking to build something cool, these projects are perfect for you. Stick around for some hands-on fun, and let's dive into the world of no-TEMP. What you'll need in this section, we'll go over all the components you'll need to follow along with these projects. No-TEMP, DHT-to-2 sensor, jumper wires, breadboard. Connect the VCC of the DHT-to-2 to the 3.3 volts pin of the no-TEMP. Connect the GND of the DHT-to-2 to the GND of the no-TEMP. Connect the data pin of the DHT-11 to D5GPIO14 of the no-TEMP. Before we continue, we have to install DHT sensor library. Go to Sketch, include Library, Manage Libraries, and search for DHT sensor library. Now we will copy the code to Arduino IDE and upload it to Node-MCU. After upload is finished, open Serial Monitor and view the temperature and humidity data. Thanks for watching. This is just a beginner-friendly project, but the possibilities with no-TEMP are endless. Feel free to experiment with more components and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming projects. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below on which project you're excited to try. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and project ideas. See you in the next video, where we'll dive into more cool and creative tech projects.